Feeling spicy? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all about black pepper essential oil. In this video, we'll be talking about how to use black pepper essential oil, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. Black pepper essential oil is soothing. You can dilute it and apply it to affected areas for soothing relief. It has a natural warming effect, so when you apply it to your skin, it's going to be really soothing. Like a lot of other spice and herbal essential oils where you actually eat the plant, this oil can aid in digestion, so you can dilute it and apply it to your abdomen to help support your digestion. This oil is also popular for those who are trying to quit smoking because when you breathe in its aroma, it can cause the capillaries in your lungs to respond in a similar way that nicotine does. So if you're trying to quit smoking, it's definitely worth a try to create an aromatherapy inhaler. Apply it a little bit to the cotton pad inside and take a deep breath to help control cravings. Black pepper is made up of natural chemicals from the black pepper plant, and it's largely composed of beta-caryophyllene, limonene, saponine. You can learn more about these naturally occurring chemicals in the blog post that is linked in the description. Let's make sure you know how to use this oil safely. Always dilute it before you apply it to the skin, especially with its warming sensation that it creates. It can be more irritating. So you'll definitely want to dilute it before applying it to the skin. This essential oil is generally safe to be used around kids aged 2 and up. This oil is unlikely to cause irritation when used around cats or dogs, but be sure to leave the door open so that your pet can leave if the aroma disturbs them. If you put it in the diffuser or something like that and your pet leaves the room, that's a good indication that they're not a big fan of this oil, so be cautious when using it around them. Thanks for watching. To learn more about how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity, subscribe to these videos.